I remember that time when I was in meeting with my client, but I was not happy because I was not able to communicate effectively. I was just lacking my confidence. I was not able to express myself because I was unaware of these two communication techniques. So in this video, I am going to share with you these two communication techniques which you can use in your life, and you will have an amazing, effective communication with your client, with your loved ones, with your customer, whoever you want to talk with. When you use these two techniques, you will have amazing conversation. So what is that way? So number one way to communicate effectively is you need to prepare for your conversation. Most of the time what we do is we just go and talk with people without doing preparation. Especially we should prepare for the conversation, which is actually very important for us. Let's understand this with an example. For example, you want to give a presentation, okay? So here how you're going to prepare for that presentation. No matter you are giving presentation, no matter you are doing public speaking, no matter you are just talking with one-on-one, but you have to prepare for it, okay? So how you're going to prepare for that presentation? Here what you need to do is you have to prepare yourself mentally in your mind for that presentation. So how you're going to do it? You have to imagine that you just enter the hall, how your confidence is going to be, okay, while entering that hall. How you're going to start your presentation, which things you are going to say first, which things you are going to say in the middle, which things you are going to say at the end, how you're going to end, how you're going to start, how you're going to take the attention of your audience, what examples you're going to use in that presentation so that you will immediately grab the attention of your audience. What are the things which you are going to do? What are the things which is going to make your presentation just stand out by rest of your competitor? How you're going to make your presentation very effective? So you have to prepare yourself in your mind that how you are going to do all the things. If you are lacking your confidence, if you are feeling nervous, if you are feeling not very confident, it means that you are going to do mistake at that time. Here you have to prepare all that thing in your mind, because you always win two times. First is in your brain and the second is on that physical place. So first you need to win in your mind. When you are going to win in your mind, boom, you are definitely going to win at that physical platform. Here question arises that you tried that mental rehearsal technique, but still you are not feeling that confidence. You are lacking confidence. Then what to do? Here I have another technique for you which you can use and feel immediately confidence. So what's that technique? You have to take your idol and you have to feel their confidence within you. Yes, you heard right. You have to feel their confidence. You have to feel their energy. You have to feel their belief system in that particular situation. You have to think like them. You have to behave like your ideal. And what is going to happen is you are going to feel that confidence within you. You are going to feel that energy within you. And boom, that is the thing which you want for yourself. So apply this technique in your life, and I'm damn sure when you apply this technique, you will find the result in one practice only. This is a proven technique which I have used in my life, and I still use this technique in my life because I don't want to mess up with my communication. Okay, here you learned one technique, that is prepare for your conversation. So what is second technique? The second technique is self-talk. Yes, you need to talk with yourself effectively to have an amazing conversation. So why it is so important? It is because most of the time various people are not comfortable in themselves. They are not comfortable in their voice. They are not comfortable in their body. They are not comfortable in their body language. They are not comfortable in their facial expression. They are not comfortable in how they look. That's why you need to make yourself comfortable by having self-talk, by doing self-talk. And when you're going to do it, you are going to see the results. Okay, here you know that you need to do self-talk. But here question arises, how exactly you are going to practice self-talk to have a wonderful mind-blowing results in your life. So what you need to do here is, you need to analyze your thoughts, that what things you say to yourself. Are you saying positive things to yourself, or are you saying negative things to yourself? And that is a thing which determines your future. If you are having a negative self-talk, it means that you are constantly saying to yourself bad things, self-limiting things, which means that you are putting yourself down. You are putting yourself down, obviously, subconsciously, right? So you have to analyze that you are doing positive self-talk or you are doing negative self-talk. The time when you're able to realize that yes, you are doing positive or you are doing negative. If you are doing negative self-talk, replace that negative self-talk with a positive self-talk, which is strong, which is powerful, which is empowering, and which is going to give you results. So if you are saying to yourself that I don't think so I can able to do this, then you have to ask to yourself the right question, that is that really true? Am I not capable to do this? If I am capable to do this, so I should do this. I should eliminate this negative self-talk. I have to replace it with a positive and with an empowering self-talk. And when you are going to do this on a repeated basis, on a daily basis, you are going to see the results. And the second way of self-talk. Okay, so you have managed all the negative and the positive self-talk. You replaced negative self-talk with a positive self-talk. Next, what you need to do? The next thing which you need to do is you need to talk with yourself on the daily basis. Every morning when you woke up and every night when you go to sleep, you have to talk with yourself. And that talk should be empowering talk. So when you wake up, what you need to do is you have to tell to yourself all the positive affirmation. That is, I am powerful, I am enthusiastic, I can do anything, and I am going to make today's day as the best day of my life. I am going to win on this day. I am going to do lots of things which is going to make me go ahead in your life. So all these things you have to say to yourself in a morning. So what things you are going to say to yourself at night to empower your belief system, to empower your confidence, to empower your communication skills. So tonight what you need to do is you have to just analyze all your day. And after analyzing it, you have to think that okay, these all are the things which I did amazing today, and you have to appreciate yourself for all those things which you did just mind-blowing, which you did amazing, which you did good. So you have to appreciate yourself. Just pat on your back and appreciate yourself, because it is very, very, very important. It gives you confidence that okay, I did all these things today, so tomorrow I am going to achieve more. So it gives you confidence, and I personally use these techniques in my life on the daily basis, and I'm sure when you are going to use all these techniques in your life, you will just have amazing confidence. Here you might be thinking that, Nayan, what is the connection of this self-talk with effective communication? Right? Well, there is a connection. Most of the people don't able to express themselves, don't able to do effective communication. Why? Because they don't believe in themselves, because they are not comfortable with themselves, and that's why they don't able to communicate effectively. And that is a thing you need to do self-talk. You need to first become comfortable with your own self, and when you become comfortable, you just comfortably talk with any person, no matter they are above than you, no matter they are below than you, and no matter they are just like you. So you can able to communicate very effectively with anyone when you apply this two technique. So the first is you need to prepare yourself mentally. And the second technique is you need to do self-talk. So now you know this two technique. So it is up to you that you want to apply this technique and have amazing mind-blowing results, and you don't want to apply it and you just watch this video and you don't apply it. But make sure to apply this technique. If you are new to this channel, then let me tell you, here you get video on public speaking, on your personality development, and I help you and I give you the strategies and techniques to make your life more better, and I help you to recognize your potential which is actually inside you but you are not identifying it. So I help you with that. So make sure to subscribe this channel.